Hello everyone, welcome back again, and I greet you all according to your time. Thank you to all my returning subscriber. God bless you guys for coming back again, and to my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Well, my people, we want to talk about our Nigeria comedy Sambalo. I believe say a lot of people know him. He's a comedian. He's a YouTuber as well. One of the big YouTuber. The guy they crack joke, no be small thing. Well, wetin just happen to a very sad story, my people. I know say this celebration of songs, this celebration wey we just dey so this season, a lot of things dey happen, which we need to be very careful. The devil is at work, whether you like it guys or not. The devil is at work even this year as a whole sef. Una see wetin just dey happen since the beginning of this year up till now. Person just dey pray that make this pandemic comot for ground. Well, wetin happen to Sabalo, my people? Very sad news, very sad story. We thank God for him life that they say wetin pass wetin kill money no kill head, na good thing. Well, this car wey una dey see so, I go show na the time wey he just new buy this car, and no be say na second hand, na new chassis. He just new buy the car, which is about 3 months ago, September. Una go even see the nylon on the car, say the car na new car. Okay, me I show na the video. Okay, I think una see the car, say the car na new chassis, and the nylon still dey on the car. The guy work so hard to get that car. He work so hard because to buy that kind new car, new chassis, no be small. You know say that person don work so hard, and the time we buy the car, he even post am for social media say him don buy new car, make we congratulate am. And na very good thing. And the guy work so hard to get the car. And wetin just happen, my people? Wetin just happen to am? Thank God say e still dey alive. No matter, I know say no matter wetin happen, na health na be the first thing for life. The guy just get accident, which is yesterday on the 26th, which is yesterday. The guy just get accident. One thing, my people, we know say we dey celebration time, whether you be Christian, you be pagan, you be Muslim. Celebration, e no mean say you go outside go celebrate with your friends, or your outside when you know say you don drink. You can also celebrate your anything you want to celebrate. You celebrate am with your family for house. E no mean say person go surely come out go celebrate with outside. And especially many people, they go drink, they go still carry cards, they go still carry motor, still come out, which they don already drink, and which is not good. Especially this western world wey we dey, so many things dey happen after they don drink. They go pack their wife and their children put for inside car. They will go church, or they will go they wan go greet their friends or their family outside. Thank God say this pandemic even locked many people put for inside house. Well, my people, celebration na very good thing, but especially this period, my people, the devil is at work. After this celebration, person fit celebrate am. E no mean say if you celebrate your something for house, e no mean say you be mugu, or you no know wetin dey, or you no be WhatsApp person. No, you can also celebrate your celebration for house. That is why e good. You still buy drink put for house, take celebrate and take jolly with your family for inside house. A lot of people, after they don drink, they'll carry car, they'll dey drive. Whether you be celebrity or you not be celebrity, my people, we need to be very careful. Especially this celebration time, person need to be very careful. Devil is at work. Well, my people, may we just pray for am because now he just post and say see wetin happen to am. Nobody know whether I believe say he dey alive. Na that one na be important thing. I know say the money wey he take buy the car na a lot of money. Don spend because for person to even buy new car, my people, e no easy. You know say that person don work hard. No be say the person just wake up today, you just see the money take buy the car. You know say the person work hard for it to buy the new car. Well, my people, as I talk before, na good health na it matters a lot. Normally say the money wey take buy the car, all of the just jabaluna, but the important is say the guy dey alive and everything. I believe now maybe dey hospital dey take treatment and everything. I beg my people, if na drink, no be to carry car put for enter road, e no good, my people. If you drink, suffer dey your own house. Abeg, especially the women, you see, advise your husband, if you drink, may you no let am carry car say you wan go greet person. This celebration wey you just dey, many things dey happen. My people. After this celebration, this Christmas period, person fit go out, maybe January, person fit say okay, wan go greet his friends or family outside. But for now, e just go make everybody dey inside house, dey suffer, dey jolly. If you wan drink anything wey you wan drink, after you don drink and finish, suffer, enter bed, sleep. Or if you no fit sleep for your bed, sleep for inside parlour. There, the important thing, no carry car say you wan go drive or you wan go greet the next person, because many things wey just dey happen. So my people, the devil is at work. We need to be very careful and we need to be very prayerful. I will thank God for your life, this Sabalo, that nothing happen to him. Na car na damage, because I know say as he stay work, he work so hard to buy that car. I know say he will still work again to even achieve more, the one way even pass that one, by the grace of God. Well, my people, now need to be very prayerful, because this year, as a whole person just dey pray, make this year just comot for ground, because it's January to this time. This pandemic don cause a lot of damage, don cause a lot of things, because everybody just dey pray make this 2020 just comot for ground. I might say it still remain about some days to end this year. By the grace of God, we go see the end of this year. The end not go see our end. Well, my people, pray for am in your own prayer time, please, because you need our prayer now. And just imagine, see how the car can look like. Oh my God, this one is the accident. Why they show now? See the car, see the damage. Well, my people, as I talked before, they say we think him or happiness na person day. The important is say the guy dey alive and the accident not taking life. Now that one ain't the important pass. Well, my people, let me you guys, please, you need to be very careful, be safe, please stay at home, please, especially this Western world day. Everybody dey inside house. You know, a part of side, if you maybe this like that, has to come and celebration time, December period. I beg, make una dey inside house, suffer, make una suffer, do the new year together, you and your family, your wife, your kids, or your husband, than to carry car come out. If you know say your husband don't still drink, I beg, women, still control your husband, beg, because this life na health na dey important pass. Well, my people, let me leave you guys. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section. Please pray for Sabalo, and he need our prayer. Leave your comment in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.